Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2022 Mercedes-Benz GLC 300 4MATIC for sale. This comes in a white exterior with a tan interior, some wood grain accent trim on the doors as well as in your center console area. You have power memory seats on the driver's side and heated seats both driver and passenger. Driver's seat with lumbar support. Steering wheel. Mileage currently at 9,848. We have a push button ignition. And here is our touchscreen display currently loading up. Of course, you can control that using the touchscreen itself. Got a radio, backup camera. You can also use your steering wheel controls here to control the display. There's also another set of controls right down here. Well, over here, this is also where you can access different dynamic sport modes, which will affect your traction, handling, transmission, all that. Below your display, you've got climate controls here, as well as some different buttons to access some different functions as well. Cup holder, cigarette lighter and ashtray, and our shifter. We'll go ahead and hop out. I'll show you the rear seats here next. Again, the wood grain accent trim. Rear seats. Another quick peek up at the front of the vehicle. And coming around to the back, we have our GLC 300 Mercedes-Benz and 4MATIC badging. Power opening and closing trunk. Lots of storage space back here. And if you need a little extra, you can push a button there to flip down the rear seats and get a little extra storage. Push button to close your trunk. Now, if you have any questions, would like any additional information, or would like to set up a test drive, you can just reach out to us on our website, feldmannimports.com.